Alright. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is I did boards and streams from time, speed, distance. There were 3 concept videos. I watched the concept videos and then solved pretty much 20 questions from that. And yeah, it was quite good, going good. But from a after certain point, the quadratic equation started to come in that to solve the question, the difficult ones. So what happened was, as you guys know, I hate algebra, so I thought that I will skip this question and only do the basic ones. If the easy ones comes without quadratic equations, I will do that, and anything which with quadratic equations, I will skip it. So what happened was, in the questions only, there was a trick by which you can solve it by hit and trial guesstimates, you can say, and it went quite well. Like in 1 or 2 minutes, I could solve it. So I continued with that and did all the questions right. So it's a good thing. Rather than skipping it, the quadratic equations, I did it with that. Quadratic equations take a lot of time for me to complete it. Like easy questions also will take me 5 to 6 minutes. So I would prefer rather skipping it than wasting that time. And yeah. So yeah, boards and streams is going quite good from time per distance. Almost will complete it by today. And apart from that, I did 2 RCs from VRC 1000 last year's CAD, and I did 3 sets of tooth and lie. One was easy one, 2 CAD levels, and yeah, that was it for today, guys. So if you have any doubts, just drop it down in the comment section. Apart from that, tell me how much syllabus have you guys covered, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.